Welcome to a quick tutorial on how to make Steam username and Steam avatar work with the OG Main Menu System Pro. First of all, we have to head to the Advanced Sessions plugins page. And here you have to download the version plugin you're currently using, either 5.5, 5.4 or 5.3. Afterwards, you will probably have gotten a zip file. Just a second, I'll open it up. Afterwards, you'll probably have gotten a zip file which you have to unzip, then open up and copy these two folders into the plugins folder of the template. You have to create a plugins folder here. Oh, it has to be named exactly like that, and then just paste it into it. Then we have to go into config default engine.ini. Now we have a second link we have to use, which is basically just a second, the online subsystem Steam one. I'll definitely paste this link and the one of the Advanced Sessions plugin into the YouTube video description. Here you have to scroll down to the finished settings snippet, just copy it and paste it into the default engine.ini. Just fixing it here real quick. Alright, just like that, save, close. Nice. Yeah. Now you have to close the editor. After closing up the editor, you have to reopen it. Alright, now we have to go to Edit and Plugins and search for Advanced. You have to make sure that the Advanced Sessions and Advanced Steam Session plugins are checked. Now let's make sure that Steam's even working with these plugins. So open it up, or make sure it's opened in the background, and then start in standalone mode. If it's working, you should see the Steam overlay in the bottom right corner, like this. For me it's in German, and for you it will be in your local language. Alright, I'll just close it up again. Now let's get to making the Steam username and Steam avatar work. Head to OG Main Menu, UI, Customization, Profile and AWB Profile. This is the root profile widget of the entire project. It's being used in plenty of places, and it's the only widget you have to edit when you want to change something about the profile. It consists of only the event construct and one event called setup profile, which gets the username and the profile icon and assigns them to the text of the widget and the image of the widget. Now we have to make it work with Steam. We'll first create a new function, call it something like a setup Steam profile. Now to make our life a bit easier, I'll just copy this here and paste it into the function. Let's start with the username. We take the player state and get the player name from it, which is a default function from Unreal Engine, which now gets the Steam username as its value by using the plugins we've downloaded. Now let's continue with the Steam avatar. We have to search for a unique meta ID from player state. Get the player state, connect it to it, and search for avatar. Get Steam friend avatar. Don't be confused because of the word friend here. It will work with your own player as well. Connect the sequence output to it. You can change the value of the avatar size here to make it fit the size you need, but currently for me medium works well. Now you connect on success to set brush from lazy texture and connect the return value of the get Steam friend avatar node to the lazy texture input. Like this. We can delete these here, we can delete this here, connect the output of the sequence to the set text node and make this here a little bit more beautiful by moving things. Alright, this is all it takes basically for making the Steam username and avatar work. Now we just have to disconnect this connection here and move this to the side as we don't need it anymore. Now we use the recently created setup Steam profile function instead. Okay, now let's try it out. As you can see, the Steam username and the Steam profile icon are correctly displayed, and this is all it takes to make Steam to work.